Hey, Mr. G. And when you listen to the blues, there's some different strumming patterns, some different boogie woogies that are going on. And I'm just going to give you a few examples today that kind of work on as you're learning how to play the blues. These are some really cool, simple riffs that I think you can get down, and it's going to really help you when you're playing your 12-bar blues to learn some simple riffs to play along with those. You're going to play chords over those 12-bar blues. You're going to play solos over those 12-bar blues, but you can also play some really cool riffs or really cool strumming patterns. So let me show you some cool riffs that you can maybe work on, some cool strumming patterns. Take a look at this one here. So let's take a look at this strumming pattern. I'm basically going to place my index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and I'm going to play that along with my open E string or open 6th string. And then I'm going to place my ring finger on the 4th fret of the 5th string and play that note along with my open 6th string. So I kind of go back and forth between those. And again, that rhythm I'm playing, there's different ways of doing it, but I'm just showing you a pretty simple one that you kind of get down. It's kind of like a dent, 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 like dent, 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 dent. What we can do is we can insert this other little lick in there in that strumming pattern. See that? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my middle finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret, play that, and then it's going to be like a kind of a pull off. Play it again. So kind of like this. Kind of do the same pattern, except I'm going to do it on the 4th and 5th strings. I'll place my index finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and I'll play that along with that open 5th string. See that? Then I'll play that ring finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string and play that open 5th string. I go back and forth with those. Again, I'm going to play a little lick with my middle finger. I'll play it on the 5th string of the 3rd fret, play that note, kind of pull it off, and play it again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back on that original riff there. I'm going to play that index finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and then play that open 6th string. And along with that ring finger on the 4th fret of the 5th string, and then open 6th string. Lick with 6th string, 3rd fret, pull it off and play it again. So kind of like this so far. I'm going to play the B note or the note on the 2nd fret of the 5th string with my index finger, along with the note on the 4th fret of the 4th string with my ring finger. I'm going to stretch my little finger out to the 4th string, 6th fret. And you know, there might be a bit of a stretch at first, but keep practicing it. You will get it down. See that? Kind of like a... So far it's like this. So right there, you're going to go back to that riff with the index finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, along with that open 5th string. Then the ring finger on the 4th string, 4th fret, along with the open 5th string. So kind of like... Back to that original one, that open E, and that index finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and that open E, or 6th string, and that ring finger on the 4th fret, 5th string. And then we're going to play a couple bar chords here. Actually the same bar chord, but we're going to play that bar chord, that 7th, dominant 7th bar chord. We're going to place our index finger barred over all 6 strings on the 5th fret, place our ring finger on the 5th string, 7th fret, and place our middle finger on the 3rd string, 6th fret. And play that chord, and then just go up 1 fret and up 1 more fret. So let's kind of do the whole thing. So you can see I kind of switched it up the second time around. So have fun with it. Throw in some licks there, whatever you want to do. But work on your strumming patterns. again, it's Mr. G. Hope you enjoy the video. Keep on jamming.